trust the process. And I have spoiled it everything. I don't know how these bloggers are going to keep everything so good. Hello guys, I'm Manasa. Okay, this is my first ever YouTube video. I hope so. I am going to upload this. Like, if you're the college going student and you really wanted to do some makeup, to put out some makeup to look like good. Broken bottle. This is all the affordable makeups and which last throughout your college day. I mean throughout 8 hours. You have to prep your skin before your makeup. Okay, this is the product. I mean, this is very affordable. I want to make sure I'm going this 154 in the as a MRP, but I'm definitely going to link you down, which is costing very less in all the online. And I'm going to apply sunscreen. You have to apply sunscreen. It's not like I'm within the home, I'm not going to apply sunscreen. No, that doesn't work. You have to apply sunscreen no matter. And I'm in the shade 238. I'm not going to use the product on and on my acne to look. Okay, I'll show you how it looks. Trust the process. A brush up, dab. Yeah. Okay, this I don't know whether I can apply this on camera. Let's see. So I'm giving only the products which will last you like throughout your day. See, just you do like this. Okay. So brows also ready, eyes also ready. So I'm going to show you the lipstick. The major combination. I have spoiled it everything. I don't know how these bloggers are going to keep everything so good. I'm like this. Inside Cosmetics 2 lipsticks. 2 are for affordable, like 70-90 rupees, like that. It is very affordable lipstick I have ever seen. I'll show you the swatch of this. I don't like the idea of swatching because it's just a waste of product. See how cool chocolatey brown color it is. It's very nude. Okay, so on top of it, I doesn't want to waste my swatch also, so I'm using here. See, you can use the lipstick. I mean, like this lipstick, like the waterproof lipsticks. You can use under your eyes to give a shade. Am I the only one who thinks lipstick will perfect your perfect your look, even though you doesn't even wear any kind of makeup? Just the lipstick is like everything. A 2 drop of it I applied of this lipstick. I'm going to link this. This is going to change your life. You are going to love this product. I'm going to do my hair, then I'll show you guys how I'm going to look with this. No. I'm looking down from up in the sky. So this is all about today's video, guys. I hope you guys have liked this video. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye bye.